Alright, so here we have a thermometer, like similar to the one I did before, at the beginning of the week. So this one took a little longer to get here. And, yeah, I don't know what to say about this one. It has an external temperature sensor. The box looks so similar to the other one. It feels the same. Look at this. User instruction. Here, this is an external thermal probe. Do not expose the plug or wire of the probe to water or liquid. Expose the plug or the wire to liquid. So you can't have liquid on it. Interesting. So this probe tip here looks good. Okay. Good. Now, let's see what this does. So this is the same. Oh, it was on somehow. It looks very similar to the other one, except it has here a connector for a probe. It does come with a battery already inserted. There it goes. Look at this. It beeps. That's much better. The plastic feels as cheap as the one I looked at before. We can do light, on, off, and it says Fahrenheit, Celsius, so if you push and hold maybe, yeah, then it switches to Celsius. So long press is switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. There we go, and then short press is lights on. Hold and long press is calibration. If it says cal, it's not a calendar, right? It's calibration. And alarm set. Yeah, that makes sense that they have an alarm. If you have an external probe connected here, then you probably want to monitor stuff, and then it makes sense to... How is this going to open? Look at that. There it goes. There. Ha! That was not that easy to untwist. So, let's see this here. How long is this? Well, okay. I'm gonna untwist this wire. Here it is. And then we're gonna plug this in here. Look at that. When you plug it in, then it turns on automatically. Nice. What happens if you put this probe out? Let's see if it measures this probe. Well, it doesn't. Temperature doesn't heat up here. When I go here, there it heats up. So if you have it out or not, it doesn't matter. The external probe here you can use to probe something. And you can set an alarm. And there we have to find out how this works with the alarm. In the manual, I guess. Tips. 2 degrees is 2 degrees. You can do ground beef, ground poultry, beef, veal, chicken, pork, poultry, lamb, fish, and program. The program you get medium rare for 145. Program, what is that for a meat? This is out, right? Cook the meat, aim for the thickest part, swing out the probe and that turns it on, and then submerge the entire tip. Measure multiple times, clean after each use. Probe uses backlight function, calibrate function. Take a cup of ice water, insert ice cubes, insert the probe, make sure that it doesn't touch the ice cubes. Once get the final temperature of ice water, press and hold the cal button for 5 seconds. Then the digits will flash, allowing you to adjust the digit number to 0. Okay, so 0 Celsius or 32 Fahrenheit, right? Keep flashing for 8 seconds. Doing this, you should finally adjust the digits. This one is confirmed when the digit stops flashing, meaning calibration is finished. Do not take out the probe before the digits stop flashing, otherwise an error could occur. Yeah, so you calibrate this thing at 0 Celsius. Yeah, so I suggest to not lose the manual, the instruction manual, with this particular one, and also to not leave the probe connected, because I'm not so sure if that would turn it off. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this video, and I see you in the next.